Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to update your visa, your UK skilled worker visa, if you have changed your job or your employer. So for this instance, the employer has changed and I am trying to change, or update my skilled worker visa. So basically you go on to gov.uk website, or you just type in skilled worker visa online and it will bring you some pages, part of which is the gov.uk website. Make sure that the website that you click on is the gov.uk website, and you'll be able to read all these things. You'll be able to see the overview, the list of the things that you can read to have a good idea. They will show you also the documents that you'll be presenting. Now this keeps changing every time, and right now they're actually testing out a beta program, and for this one you do not need to actually go to a visa appointment place to register your biometrics again, because you are just updating your visa. You already have a visa before, you get. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and apply. So right now I'm trying to apply. I've clicked on apply now. You can either accept or reject analytics. I don't think it really makes any difference to your visa. So they will ask you some of these questions that you need to give answers to, and as much as possible try and answer them correctly. So do you have a UK biometric residence? The answer will be yes, because for you to update your visa you should have your BRP already, the BRP from your previous employer. Now we continue to answer the questions and all that, and right now an app is being used to actually capture your face and all the documents that you need to submit. Like I said, this new updates thing, it is a walk in the park. You don't have to start looking for appointments and booking appointments and all that. You can do everything in your home, in your house, in the corner, in one corner in your room. So I created an account, and then it will ask who is completing the form. Is it the applicant or somebody else? So it's the applicant. I clicked on that and I continued. Then it will ask you for your country of nationality. Then it will ask you to enter your biometric residence permit number. So it is the number on your biometric residence. They gave an example there. So ask you for your date of birth, your name, your full names, your email address. These are the main details that they need at first, because they need that to send you link to log back in if at all you need to continue with your application at a later date. So you verify your phone number. Also they'll send a code to you to verify your phone number, and if you need to give someone access to your application, you either click yes or no and you continue. Now you'll be able to confirm your details. So if anyone is not correct, you have the ability to actually change it. After you've done that, you create your account. So now that your account is created, it's going to prompt you to sign back in, and you will be needing the UK immigration ID check app on your phone in order to verify your identity. So once you click on sign in, it will bring you to another page where it will tell you what identity documents you use. So you have to answer all those questions about your date of birth, your BRP number and all that. They will send you a security code just to ensure that it is you trying to sign back in into your account. So you sign in into your account and then you view your application. click on it, and you continue. So you're applying as a skilled worker. Now this particular video is for the skilled worker that is trying to update their visa. So for other types of visa, it might be different from this. So now you need to confirm your identity using the app, the phone app. So they'll tell you that your phone needs to be an iPhone 7 or a newer model, or an Android phone that can make contactless payments. So you can do that, or you can decide to go to the visa center to do your biometrics. But I think this is just like better and easier. So you put in your BRP number, and then they will ask you if you have access to a smartphone. You say yes, then they ask you to continue on the app. They show you a code. So what I did here is that on showing me this page, I just took my phone and I just scanned the code showing on my computer, and this automatically brought me to the UK immigration check application on my app store. So I clicked on get, I downloaded it, and after downloading, you'll be able to continue. They'll confirm if it is you. You can ask them to send it to your email address or to your phone number, the 6-digit code. Once they confirm that it is you, then you can start using the app. So you scroll, they'll give you information on what you are expected to do. Basically, you scan your BRP, you upload your documents, and you take a photo of yourself using this application. So it is very easy to use, and I think that is it's a good idea, honestly. So you grant the application access to your camera, and you do all that. Once you have done all that on your phone, you'll be able to continue on your laptop, on your computer. So you continue. Basically, they will ask you to sign in again. I mean, once you leave for a number of minutes, you'll be prompted to sign in again, and I think it's a good security measure. Anyway, you continue, and you let them know if you have an immigration officer that is taking care of your application. In this instance, no. So you keep on answering each of these their questions. As you can see, some of these things cannot be started yet, so it has to be in order. If you haven't answered a particular section, you can't move on to the next section. So you keep on answering them until you get to where you'll be able to finally pay for your visa. So they still ask you a lot of questions about your UK visa. Where have you been before? Do you have any other applications in progress? And then you'll always be able to review your answers and change them if you want to. So your visa type will be leave to enter, because you are in the UK already, you get. So your work details, they will ask for that. They will ask for your certificate of sponsorship number. I mean, if you're applying for this, you should have your certificate of sponsorship number already from your employer. So do you have a certificate of sponsorship number? Yes. Then they will ask you for the number. You will input the number, and then they will bring it back that, oh, it is this and that. They will bring the name of your employer. Then you confirm it that yes, this is the name of my sponsor, and then you continue with it. So they will ask you for the job code. Your job code is also on your COS sheet. Your job code is there. And they will ask you also if you're applying for health and care visa, which is correct. So you continue with family, relationship, personal details, previous address history. Like, there's a lot to fill. When you are filling this form, just devote like 1 to 2 hours of your time to it. Just devote like 1 to 2 hours, that today we must finish it. Because if you say, oh, I just have 30 minutes to do this, and then you start doing it, you discover that it's not enough. So they will ask for where you've traveled to before, your national insurance number, and you continue. They ask if you have a UK driving license. If you don't have it, you say no. If you have it, you say yes. And then they will let you know that you are not entitled to public funds. Yeah. Or they ask you if you've ever received public funds before. Let me say here that I know you know, but let me say that as an overseas person in the UK working on a tier 2 skilled worker visa, you are not entitled to public funds. So anything classified as public funds, you are to run away from it. Right, so we continue, and they ask you if you have been penalized before, if you have been convicted before, if you have been involved in criminal proceedings before, or breaking UK immigration law, all those. You answer them as truthfully as possible, and then they bring all these war crimes and extremist organization involvement. They bring all the security questions also, and you answer them, and yeah. So after you filled everything, they let you know that, oh, this is the condition for which they are giving you your visa. They list out all the conditions for you, and that you can be prosecuted if you like break any of these things. So take note of that. Confirm that you understand and accept those conditions, and continue. Now to the next steps. This is the declaration. This is where you declare that it is you have done the right thing, you have answered everything correctly, and after you complete this declaration, you will not be able to change any of your answers. So it's good that you have another look at all your answers before you sign the declaration form, before you say yes. You are declaring that everything is correct, because at this stage, this is the stage of no going back. This is the stage of no going back. Anyway, you can go back. That means you'll have to cancel your entire visa. You have to cancel the entire thing and start all over again. Yeah. So right now you proceed to application payments. So for the payments, they accept all kinds of cards: debit cards, credit card. I think it's only card they accept. They don't accept PayPal or anything like that. So if you want to pay for faster decision, priority service is almost 1,000. It's actually 979, but the standard service is 479 pounds. So I picked the standard service, and then I continued. I continued to Word Pay, and I made a payment of 479 pounds, and then it was successful, and then it brought me back to the visa page, told me my reference number and unique application number, and yeah. So what happened next is that if I hadn't uploaded my documents online using their application, then I would have gone ahead to book an appointment with them. But because I've already done that, as you can see, they are saying that I do not need to provide any evidence. That's because I have already provided the documents they requested, my picture, and my biometric residence permit. I've already provided that in their app, in their phone app. So that is it, and that is how you do this. So if you want to withdraw application, you can definitely withdraw your application here. And yeah, so I hope it is helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any request or question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.